Hello, friends! Today's word of the day is meticulous. Repeat after me. Meticulous. It means showing great attention to every small detail and doing every task carefully and accurately. हिंदी में इसका अर्थ है बेहद सावधानी के साथ या सतर्क. Now, let's look at some examples. The surgeon was meticulous while performing the complex operation. The accountant was meticulous while preparing the financial reports. Let's look at some synonyms and antonyms. Some synonyms of meticulous are careful, precise, thorough, and diligent. The antonyms are careless, sloppy, negligent, and inattentive. This was today's word of the day, meticulous. Try using it in your next conversation. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.